Hello and good evening, guys. As some of you will be aware, I've suffered a minor health issue in the last week or so, and I wanted to update you all and thank you all as well. So here we go. Thank you all very much for all the messages of support, all the nice comments you put on my videos, and thank you for all who watched the vlog I'm currently uploading daily about my condition. Also, I want to reassure you all and really ask for your continued support, I suppose, because I'm going to start uploading again. I'm not going to be doing any repairing for the next wee while because I'm just not up to it. But I do have some already pre-recorded videos for the next month or 6 weeks, and I have quite a few shorts available to upload, so I'm just going to start editing them and get them uploaded. I'm going to just add one on the post with this so you can see it. I'm going to start just uploading today again. I think it's therapeutic for me to do a wee bit of editing and uploading because it's not too strenuous. So thank you all again. You've been so supported. There's a great community on here, and take care.